potatoes sliced. All I did was rinse them off and slice them up. I didn't peel them. We got our pan buttered. Here with the meat sauce. Basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in about half a cup of sour cream. Yeah, something like that. Have some hot stuff. Yeah. So next we're just going to layer them here in the pan. We're going to do half of our potatoes, half of our meat mixture, and some cheese, and then do another layer of that. I only chopped up 4 of the potatoes. I got this one still sitting here. We'll just kind of see how it goes and see if we need it or not. So, all right, let's go. Alright, so we baked it at 350, covered for about an hour and 10 minutes, then took the cover off and let it cook for about another 15 minutes. Kind of jack the temperature up a little bit, try to get it to brown up. It's absolutely wonderful. I'm so happy I got the whole rest of this over here. I'm thinking in the morning having some fried eggs with this. Thank you so much for swinging through the trailer hood. I'll see you next time.